If you have unwanted objects or people in a photo, you can easily delete them using the Erase tool in Photo Studio. To begin, click the Erase Objects tab and set the size of your brush with the slider. Then highlight the object or person you want to remove. Photo Studio analyzes the photo and erases the item. If erasing the object has left blurry marks, you can fix this with the Clone tool. Go to More Tools, then Clone. Select Source to duplicate and click a source point on your image to clone form. Next, click to paste this content over the blurry area. You can adjust the size and hardness of the brush with the sliders. To change your source point, click Source to duplicate again and select a new point in the photo. Then continue cloning. Let's check the before and after.